Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious strawberry spinach salad. Okay, we're gonna need 1 cup of fresh ripened strawberries and some basil and tarragon leaves. And if you guys have mint and parsley at home, you can totally use it. So we're gonna need 3 ounces of goat cheese, as you can see, and half a lemon. I cut the lemon into halves. So we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of olive oil and some black pepper. You can see the price there. So and a pinch of salt. Also freshly washed and cut spinach. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is squeezing the lemon into an empty container, as you can see guys. So squeeze it well, and we're gonna make the juice for the salad. And now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of the olive oil. Yep. And then I'm going to spray the salt as well as the black pepper, guys. And this is all we need for the juice of the salad. So what we can do is just mixing them very well. Alright, and this is the color and this is how it looks, guys. So make sure you make the juice for the salad first. Now I'm gonna show you how to slice the strawberries, guys. If you want to cut them into quarters, that's totally fine, but I prefer slicing them because they look much better and prettier. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do, it's not the last thing, so the next thing I'm going to do is like arranging the strawberries spinach into my serving plate. That's my serving plate. And I'm going to add the basil as well as tarragon leaves on top. So if you guys have any other greens at home, you are totally fine to use it. So it's green spices. Tarragon and then basil leaves give really good aroma to the salad, and then they fresh incredibly appetizing. So what I'm going to do here, I'll just pour the juice we have made all earlier, guys. So as you can see on the greens, I poured our juice. So now guys, I already cut the strawberries, as you remember. So what I'm going to do is just putting them on top of our greens, as you can see, guys. Okay, make sure if you arrange them like in a nicer way, that you should do it, because here I'm trying to arrange them, so I have a lot of strawberries here, and so that's it. And we have one more step left, and that step is spraying our goat cheese, guys. Okay, if you guys have any crumbled feta cheese, that's totally fine. They almost taste close to each other, and this is how it looks. Our salad is ready, and you can serve it to your family or friends and then enjoy it. It's in the summer, it's gonna be very yummy. And if you like my video, you can give me a thumbs up, and then make sure you hit that subscribe button not to miss any other upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Bye.